When a star explodes, most people think it's game over. The story's over, the light's out, and the universe moves on. But what if that's not the whole story? 1 second it's shining, the next it's wiped off the cosmic map. For centuries, astronomers believed that when a star died, its information, its unique cosmic fingerprint, was lost forever, scattered into the void. But what if the universe never actually deletes anything? I know, it sounds like science fiction, but stick with me. Because this idea is shaking up everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. Here's the claim. After stars go supernova, astronomers are picking up faint, structured electromagnetic signals. These aren't just random bursts of static. They're organized, almost as if the star is still whispering its secrets across the universe. Not just random fuzz, but patterns, almost as if the star is still leaving behind its digital fingerprint. This is where the idea of ghost galaxies comes in. Some are calling these ghost galaxies vast, barely there structures that seem to linger long after their stars have died. And that, well, it breaks the rules. For decades, the prevailing wisdom was that the universe is a place of constant erasure. Entropy always wins and information is lost. You see, a supernova is meant to be utter chaos. It's one of the most violent events in the universe. Everything explodes, and by the laws of entropy, information should be lost forever. But quantum theory, it insists that information can't be destroyed. This is one of the most profound and controversial ideas in modern physics. In the quantum world, every particle, every interaction leaves a trace. The universe, in a sense, is like a cosmic hard drive that never truly erases its files. Two powerful ideas, entropy and quantum information, collide when a star dies. For decades, physicists have argued, does the universe forget or does it remember everything? So, how are scientists even seeing this? The answer lies in technology that's only become possible in the last few decades. They're using advanced interferometry, combining data from telescopes around the world to create a virtual telescope the size of the Earth. This technique lets us see details that would otherwise be lost in the cosmic static. On their own, each telescope just picks up noise, random, meaningless fuzz. But when you combine their data, patterns begin to emerge. Together, these telescopes reveal faint ghostly patterns, structures that shouldn't exist, according to our old models. In some cases, these patterns let us reconstruct details of the original star system, its mass, its composition, even hints of its history. The information is still out there, echoing through space, like ripples on a cosmic pond, long after the stone has sunk. If this turns out to be true, it changes everything. It means the universe is not just a graveyard of dead stars, but a living archive of cosmic history. The universe isn't just made of matter and energy, it's made of information. Every event, every explosion, every whisper of light leaves a record. Every cosmic event leaves its mark, like footprints in the sand, traces that can be read if you know how to look. Nothing is truly erased. But there's a catch. Humans are pattern machines. We are wired to find meaning, even where there may be none. We see faces in clouds and meaning in static. Our brains are built to connect the dots, sometimes inventing connections that aren't really there. Some scientists warn we might just be reading too much into the noise, seeing structure where none exists. This is the heart of the debate. Are ghost galaxies real, or are we just seeing what we want to see? So, here's the crossroads. Either the universe stores every moment that's ever happened, or we're just very creative apes staring at shadows, projecting meaning onto the void. But if ghost galaxies are real, then the night sky isn't just something beautiful to look at. It's a library, a record of everything that's ever happened, waiting to be decoded. It's something we can read if we know how to listen. The search for ghost galaxies is just beginning. With new telescopes like the Square Kilometre Array and the James Webb Space Telescope, we're about to open our eyes wider than ever before. If we can prove that the universe never deletes anything, it means that every supernova, every collision, every cosmic drama is still out there, waiting to be found. The universe may be far more mysterious and far more connected than we ever imagined. So next time you look up at the stars, Remember, you might just be looking at the echoes of everything that ever was. The universe never deletes anything.